first thing you're going to want to do is get your toilet paper and unravel it some, and then just bunch it up and ravel it back onto the roll, just like I'm doing here. It helps to just twist the roll. The paper just goes on automatically. You don't want it in any order. You want it kind of bunchy. This is just going to make a more round pumpkin. And when you get finished with that, just go ahead and tuck your end in. See how much bigger that makes it? Now, I got this cloth. It's a fat quarter. I got it at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to lay it out, and then I'm just going to pull, tug on it, and then just push it down in the center of my toilet paper roll. I'm trying to make sure the folds are kind of even. Just keep pulling and tugging until you get it exactly the way you like it. And just push it down in the center. Make sure to twirl it around and make sure you like all the sides of your pumpkin. This came off of one of the ribbons from Dollar Tree. I didn't even have to cut it. I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to wrap it all the way around this. But I'm going to leave some open on the bottom. About a ½ inch. Just so it doesn't get too bulky on the bottom. I'm going to put some hot glue right on the top and add my new curls. I think these are so cute. But I'm thinking that it might need something else. Yeah, leaves. So I'm cutting the top part of this leaf off. And this is just the garland that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm cutting a red one and one of the green and orange ones. Yeah, that's gonna look cute. I always like to dry fit it first. I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on it and glue it right onto the twine. That is super cute. I almost want to leave it just like that. That's even cuter. I think it's adorable. What do you guys think? After looking at it for a few minutes, I think it needs one more leaf. So I'm going to cut another red one. And put it on the opposite side. Oh yeah. That's perfect. I think it did need that other red leaf. Now it is so adorable.